How do owls fly without making a sound? Owls are nocturnal birds of prey with excellent hearing. Some species of owls can rotate their heads 270 degrees to observe their surroundings, as their eyes are fixed and cannot move from side to side. This is why they need to turn their heads. Unlike most birds, owls can fly silently due to the shape of their wings and the structure of their feathers, which soften the airflow and reduce noise. This allows them to catch their prey unnoticed. Owls hold an important place in various cultures and mythologies. In some cultures, they are considered symbols of wisdom and intelligence, while in others, they are seen as harbingers of bad luck and death.